You may have used a fun training game to review program materials you've just presented. But imagine playing an interactive, audience-engaging game while you present. Introducing the new presentation game. It loads and configures itself in PowerPoint at the touch of a button and has many new features. It doesn't matter if you're a presenter, teacher, or trainer. The presentation game add-in will add interactivity, creativity, and fun to any presentation. After the installer runs, a new tab is created in PowerPoint called Presentation Tools. Your new presentation game will appear on this tab. It has two buttons, one to open the setup for the game, and the other to add a small black game button to the upper left corner of all slides. The presentation game is designed to run in slideshow mode, so we need these little black buttons to activate the game from within a slideshow. When you install the presentation game, PowerPoint will start with a quick start presentation open and will give you complete overview of how to use the presentation game. On the setup, you can enter up to 36 players or team names. Add true, false, multiple choice, or open-ended questions to your presentation with an optional timer. Define the values for the 3 random generators. Save up to 10 different game setups. Set up and define colors for the Jamboard, and much, much more. A separate video will cover these topics in depth. Since we don't have an actual copy of one of your presentations to use in this video, we have created a sample presentation to use. I have added a couple of questions to it so we could see how the Jamboard works. I have also added game buttons to all of the slides for use during our presentation. These black buttons can be added or removed at the touch of a button. In slideshow mode, let's take a look at the random generators. They can be used to choose a player or team, a number between 1 and whatever you define in the setup, and a random action. Random actions could be set up to be an icebreaker, an action to be performed if you answer wrong, or anything that you want it to be. The timer can be used for exercises, discussions, or anything else, and can be set from 1 minute up to 4 hours. Rules and notes can be used for anything you like, from establishing your game rules to keeping notes during your presentation. Maybe a list of questions to be answered or things to be provided later on. Let's play a game. Here is our game board. If you click on a value, your presentation presents the question attached to it. If you use our question formats, a button will reveal the correct answer or answers, and an optional timer can be used to keep your presentation moving. The last button will return you to the last slide viewed if desired, or you could go right to another question. It depends on how you are playing the game. On the menu, we can score the game. It accepts plus or minus values and can be edited directly on the form in case of an error or a desire to enter a different value. Back on the game board, you can see that the question already asked has disappeared. On the setup, the Jamboard can also be configured to act like a table of contents, allowing you to jump around your presentation as desired without playing a game. It doesn't matter if you're a presenter, teacher, or trainer. The presentation game add-in will add interactivity, creativity, and fun to any presentation. The presentation add-ins from training games are the only ones that actually help during your presentation. Pick up your copy today. Also, see our other add-ins for PowerPoint, the PowerPoint Toolbox, and the free PowerPoint Companion.